Welcome back to this week's episode.
Huh?
Look who's here.
Say what?
Say what? So a bit of a project on Barry's van today. He needs a new heater. He's getting old now, so he can't be seen heating his van with tea lights. So Santa's come with a new toy.
Huh?
So this will be the first time you see inside Barry's van. He's cleaned it specially.
I just took the carpet out.
So this is where his bed goes.
Left hand side.
There's his kitchen. What's that? A sink caddy with pump?
Yep.
From Aldi. Oh, hand gel.
Hand gel.
Yeah, okay. So it is a works van as well, so we are limited with where we can put stuff. So it looks like we're going to go behind the driver's seat. That's the only place we can think about it, and let it point sideways, and then we've got a vent we can put on the end. And so first things first really is reverse the van back up on the blocks. You got it, you got it, you got it. Your head torch is on, and he's after the light.
Oh, rip. That's the sort of shit going.
Right, let's pull this back out of the way. We'll just have to cut down to there.
No. Come up. Go underneath now and have a look.
Yeah, I can have a look now.
Have a look with the small one.
Yeah.
As a guide, because then if you go down, you might drill through something.
Right, let's get underneath. I'm a little bit fragile today. Me and Chantal went out on the bus last night. And probably not the best day to be doing it.
James.
Oh, God, so much room under here. I should have got fitted under here.
No, I do off-roading, mate. Sorry. You saw the last time I was off-roading.
I don't know how many MOTs are left here, Barry.
Dave said you can weld it up.
Oh.
Is it?
Right, so that's the subframe there. You don't want to go through the subframe, which goes... Sorry, the chassis. You don't want to go through the chassis, which is there. Stop trying to do stuff cowboy way. Let's do it right. It's blown out that way.
It's blown into the middle of the van.
Yeah.
Isn't it?
So it is actually probably a bit too big for this van, but if you put it on the low power, it'll be nice and quiet and just ticks over on
Yeah.
efficient with fuel.
Yeah, but what I'll do is turn it off. I'll have a remote control, turn it off and on.
Yeah. Yeah, so roughly about there, yeah?
But where?
There.
No.
Go further back.
Yep. So what you got to do? You got to cut the disc. You got to.
Cut the square out now with the grinder.
Yeah.
Bolt that in.
Now then, do you want some self-tappers?
Self-tappers.
Self-cutting self-tappers.
Yeah, I got some.
I got a box.
I got some. There should be loads of stuff in that bag. Comes with loads of stuff, to be fair.
Not as good as this. And she'll fit in the middle.
You should have some purchase on there to bolt onto.
Yeah. We can put an extra one in if you want.
Yeah. Okay.
Only problem is you're going to have a hole where this ridge is going over here.
Yeah, we'll seal it. I will be, yeah. Satisfying? Oh, we've gone through your fuel pipe.
Oh dear.
What if I cut, just want to cut the whole thing out, innit?
Yeah, yeah.
And then we'll, yeah, that's what we'll do. Oh, poor van.
Do you know what I could use that for?
Fishing. Having a piss. You can go in there. So Barry's brought over his other diesel heater, which needs a service. But we're going to reuse that tank. Yeah, that'll save a lot of work. Yeah.
And they got longer legs, they're going to need to move the seat.
No one else can drive this van, really, is it? Who else can drive this van?
Well, you and Chantal have driven it before.
Yeah, but you have to get
You're on the insurance.
You have to get a tetanus shot to drive this van.
Yeah, but you're still on the insurance. It's costing me, that is.
It was actually £2 a year.
Was it?
It was.
No, not when Chantal.
Was it £2 a month? There, so tank over there then, behind that seat. You could put the pump on that pillar. We can get some sound deadening to put a box around it.
Yeah.
And then you run the tube then across to here.
That's not far.
And just leave a bit there. And when I come back then, we'll fit it. Right, I've got stuck into this job and I go pick up Adelaide.
Oh, you drill. I need a drill.
I don't know if I trust you with power tools, Barry. So look here, what have we done then?
So,
How do we let you loose with power tools?
pump into the
Inline filter.
It's not very secure because I don't know.
Not bad actually.
No, but that position, I'm not sure on that position.
So we need to fit that plate onto there. That can be bolted on. Like that. So there should be 4 bolts in the kit.
Yep.
4 bolts in there. Nice. Jesus, we should do this for a living, Barry.
No, we won't.
Professional diesel fitters.
Yeah, well,
Professional
when it goes a
diesel.
fire, then we're liable.
No, we'll drill a hole the other side because we'll put the fuel line down that side.
Well, hang on now. Wait, no, I've got to put the seat forward. Do you need to go through that?
Right.
Can you come down the side of the van?
You can go anywhere. You can drill a hole here. I may have to actually. All right, that's the tube through the hole.
Hang on now.
I just don't like this tube floating everywhere. That is a bit.
Cut it off.
No, the fact is just you run it through the netting. I just don't like the idea of that. Oh, it's gonna be toasty and warm in here tonight now, Barry.
Yeah, hang on now.
Oh, let me touch wood. Let me touch wood.
Right, I've got an extension that'll go to there.
I'll grind off a piece of that off the chassis and we'll just bolt it on. Done.
No, but that mightn't be the same earth as this one.
Because that ground goes to that battery, and that battery goes to the chassis of the van.
No, no.
Yeah, it is.
Where?
A professional Sparky now,
The
Barry.
relay is into that switch, right?
Yeah.
Going to this board here.
Let me show you Barry's wiring here. Here's got a little fuse panel.
Yep. Charger. Solenoid from the battery. Batteries.
Split charge
into
relay.
batteries into batteries.
Yeah.
Couple of earth leads.
Yep.
In case one breaks.
Right, so you're gonna run you're gonna do the power.
So what are we going to? No, the controller.
LCD can go up on your there, innit, somewhere.
Yeah.
So you got enough length there.
To here for now, innit?
Yeah.
But that would also set the. We can set the temperature to that then for internal.
Yeah, so it'll go to that. I think there's a
Built-in thermostat.
there's a temperature sensor in the LCD. Yeah.
Yeah. So that would be put it to
Perfect.
low,
Yeah.
and then it'll cut in and out, so it'll all stay the same temperature.
It gives you full power. Then when it gets to temperature, it'll cut down to the low power.
Yeah.
It'll never turn off. It just keeps on low. So that might overheat.
Overheat.
Yeah.
Of course, it would fucking overheat.
This is no point even insulating it, is it?
no, but
It's
it will
cheap.
help. No, do you want the best
It's
thing about
free
that?
fuel for you.
Sound.
Sound done in, yeah.
These switches, James.
You need a good like 15
Yeah, there's
amps.
a 15 amp switch.
Oh, there you'll be fine then.
You have a look in here, look. There, and there's a 15 amp on this.
So you fuse there, and you fuse there.
Yeah.
What's the fuse there? 15, is it?
It's supposed to be 15.
It might be 10. What's the on the top? 20.
20. Put the earth into there.
No, the earth goes to the van. There's no point in extending that. We'll self tap into the floor. Done.
And then if I put that into there, onto one of these switches.
That's how you're doing it, is it? Yeah, put it into there.
Yeah.
Easy.
Right, so we've got...
The problem is that always needs power to shut down. So are you ever going to turn this power?
No, I'll have to stop doing that.
Yeah, you're going to have to stop using that.
Yeah.
You don't want to shut it down without any power, like.
No, although...
It should be smoking.
No, yeah, she smokes up in startup time.
Get your safety squint.
Yeah.
Not safety glasses.
No, but they're better.
That's got it. That's better.
These aren't self-cutting ones, are they?
Self tapping, yeah.
Ah?
Self tapping.
Yes. Of course, it's wood now, and it's...
You should just pop in there roughly. Yeah. Did you wire it onto a switch?
Oh, fuck.
Yay! See? Gotta turn it on first, Barry.
Yeah, I forgot about that.
Right, okay. So I'll put the fuel line on underneath and we'll prime it. We could go for a start.
To warm the end of the green to push it on.
No. She'll go on. Oh, this is an absolute work of art, Barry.
It didn't fucking work in yet, mate.
Right, how much length you got up there? You happy with me to cut it? What is this?
That's my...
It's like Crocodile Dundee.
No, it's an expensive piece of kit from that shop.
Expensive piece of kit. Ah, beautiful. Right, yeah, grab this before I stab myself. You don't need to put exhaust on yet. No.
There's
What?
no 3 bars to say it's...
This might not be paired yet. Don't worry about that. Let's figure out how to prime it first.
Installation.
But this is up and down. It's in Chinglish. Manual control of pumping. Stop oiling after releasing the key. Please use continuously. Yay! Ooh, have to do it again to stop, is it? Yeah. That was easy.
Yeah, but we can see it now.
Yeah, I'll be able to see it pump. Right, if you do that again, then press the up and down together.
Yep.
And then if you release it, it'll carry on pumping. Here she goes.
What's the red minus for in the... Like that?
No, keep going. I can see the fuel coming out.
Yeah, but do I leave them go?
Oh, you could let go, yeah. See if it... You might stop pumping, but... Yeah, you have to hold on to it. You sure you put the filter in the way around?
Yeah.
You're not back flushing crap now?
Nope.
Sure?
It's brand new filter.
Oh, it's got one that comes with the kit, is it?
Yeah.
So wire that directly to the battery.
What?
The heater. And then you use on and off on the LCD then.
Yeah.
Because you will turn it off.
Turn what off? The pump? No, I'll turn it off.
You'll be drunk one night and you'll switch the switch here.
I'll be turning it off on that.
Yeah, but if you come in here and switch it off there.
Yeah, I see what you mean. Alright, I'll get rid of this now then.
No, that can stay there. You just need to wire him straight to the battery. Here she comes. Oh, so satisfying. Right. It's going into diesel heater now. Oh, you can hear that, can you?
Yep.
Okay, stop it there. You have to hold it. Yes. She's firing up. So that must be heat level. Yeah. You got heat 6. So that's
levels.
max. So we'll leave it on 6 now and give it a good blast.
Fuck's sake.
You gonna give it a test?
Says air in, shit out. That's good.
She's lit anyway. That's flame. You can hear flame now. Any symbols on that? We have heat, baby! Success. These things are brilliant. We've just installed one on the bus as well.
You talking to me?
No, I'm talking to the camera.
Oh.
So we know it works. Now is air inlet and exhaust outlet underneath with a these cheapy thing, these exhausts. Yeah, Jubilee will be fine. I bought Jubilees the other day.
Do you want it now?
Not yet. Have you got that 10mm socket? Work of art. I know you're in the comments already. Oh God, don't do it that way, don't do it that way, you should have done it this way.
Who?
People in the comments.
Oh, when you...
Yeah,
I thought they stopped the comments in YouTube.
No. But you know what they say, you can't polish a turd. Right, out we go. So if you ever want a diesel heater fitted, don't come talk to us. The good old error 8. Right. Reset, baby. Good. It's working before, so something you've done, I think you pushed the chair back and you've jammed it.
It's wet. That's all we need to know.
Yeah, it's just leaking out that seal.
So if I put that straight onto there
Yeah,
and restart.
For now, yeah. Fuel filter was leaking. I would say you do need a fuel filter, especially the diesel you'll be chucking in.
No, but mine comes clean up straight up the tank.
Yeah, but you'd be putting waste oil in it and everything, and you'd be mixing it 50-50. And
No, I've put a...
so, culprit. And if you can see there is a small crack in the thread, so luckily we found it.
There was lots of little whites in it, so that might have been it.
It's nice now, your van smells of diesel.
I don't want to smell of diesel.
Overcomes the smell of eggs.
Yeah.
She's in. Nice warm air. Don't look at the fuel installation. Hope you enjoyed today's video. A little bit of a different one. And I'm going to test it in a few days' time. That's bye from me, bye from Barry.
Bye from the van.
I'll catch you next time.